Screen time showing wrong data or not saving limits. Here's how to fix it fast. First, reset screen time's activity tracking. For this, go to Settings, scroll down a little, and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down and select Turn off app and website activity. Confirm your choice. Now, select App and Web Activity and turn it on again. This refreshes the screen time tracking service. Second, force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and volume down buttons in quick succession. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, check if screen time is now tracking correctly. Third, close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom. Close all apps running in the background. This prevents unused apps from being counted as screen time. Fourth, check for iOS updates. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down and click on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Make sure your device is up to date. Finally, reset all settings. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. From the pop-up, select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset all the settings including Wi-Fi, privacy, and screen time. Now recheck screen time, and it should start working. And that's it. Subscribe for more videos.